Hi everybody and every beginner band student out there. Today we're going to make a video about two horns actually. I'm going to teach you how to polish your trumpet, which you will need, and your trombone if you have a trombone, which you will need one polishing cloth and your horn. Now you want to do this to reduce tarnish. You don't want, because the oils from your skin will cause the lacquer to tarnish on the trumpet and trombone and any other brass instrument. You want to do this to reduce tarnish, which if you do have tarnish, you want to buy some probably some sort of lacquer polish or something. But anyway, let's pop the trumpet out of the case here. And let me see if I can position the camera here. Okay, so here we have the trumpet, and this trumpet is beginning to show its age because I dealt with it in beginner band, and I've been dealing with it for some time now. We're not going to need the mouthpiece for this. Now, you notice some of the places might be hard to reach. That's okay, because, like, for example, your third valve slide here, it comes off. It can come off. You want to push down your third valve to remove this, and then you see here's the third valve slide. So now all you're going to do is get a polishing cloth, because this is a very gentle material, so it won't scratch the lacquer off or anything. You just want to kind of gently rub it, and it will polish right off. There you go. It also helps if you wear a pair of gloves doing this. I'm probably going to have to find an alternative to that. But let me see what I can do here. But, yeah. Here's a pair of Wiseman gloves. Well, a Wiseman glove. And you don't have a second glove, a sock will do you just fine. Yes, I have used a sock to polish my horn. Okay, and now what you want to do is you just want to set the trumpet up on your knee, and you just want to start here and polish it, which is not hard to do. And you just polish. And when you're on your valve casings, it's a little bit different. You have to kind of work it around in there. And you want to go to your first valve slide and your middle valve slide. And then you want to polish around here on the back. And it's fairly easy to do. And then you just want to polish down the bell and everything. So make sure you get your bell real good, because that's a very good spot for tarnish. This horn has some tarnish on it too, but that's from getting rained on and just from wear and tear. I will replace it eventually, but not right now. When I do replace it though, it's going to be with a more advanced horn, and then you want to get the back side of everything too. That's very important. And there you go. Now you've polished your horn. And you can see the difference. Okay, now we're going to put the trumpet away, and we're going to move on to the trombone. The trombone, I already have it out and assembled, but we're going to disassemble it to polish it. See how much time have I. Okay. First I'm going to take the mouthpiece out. Set it there. And then you're going to take this, unscrew this. Now, there are slide covers on this slide, so you don't really have much polish. But you want to get around the top here, because that's where your hands are, and you're holding this and you're playing like that. So we're going to polish this, and polish what you can that isn't covered by the slide cover. And then you'll slide the slide covers up down here, and you'll polish down here. This is where tarnish is really bad, which a lot of it can't be prevented, but you can do your best. Okay, so now that that's done, now we move on to the body, and this is your trombone body. So now you just want to start here, and like I said, just rub it, and it'll come clean. I haven't oiled the slide in a while. I shudder to think what's going to happen if I try taking it off. This back slide here, or tuning slide, I might have to. And the bell, always clean it out, because with the way the trombone's built, spit will come through and it will make water spots in your bell, which doesn't necessarily look very good. Now see how clean that is? Okay. So now we're going to try to get this slide off. Oh, and it came off. Alright, this is how you care for the slide. You take some valve oil, very light oil, or slide oil, and then you just put it on there. There we go. Now it's oiled up and it should be ready to go. And you just want to take one side at a time and put it in where it's supposed to go, and you work it in. Now some of it did run down the horn, so I'm going to have to, oops. Okay. You have to be kind of hard on these slides sometimes, because they don't necessarily want to go in if they haven't been oiled in a while. Okay. This horn needs some work done on it too, so a lot of this is just wear and tear. Let's see if I can hold this steady while I do this. There you go. Now you just want to keep working the oil in, and eventually you'll get it to go in. And there you go. Now your trombone has been oiled up, and you can wipe off the excess oil that kind of dripped down. That's it.